Hey guys, I'm Alexis Morgan. I'm joined by Ben McLemore. You are watching another edition of Valvoline Under the Hood, and we are in the garage. So are you a gear guy? Like, do you know how to change the oil and change a tire?
A little bit. Just watching my big brother do a lot, working on his cars, my mom's cars, our sisters, and uncles and cousins, things like that, and just watching him. I know how to do an oil change. I'm kind of iffy with changing tires and things like that, but some of the maintenance little things I can take care of.
Have you ever bought someone in your family a car?
Yes, I actually bought my mom a brand new car, brand new Infiniti, and then right after that I bought my dad, I forgot the name of it, but I bought it for Father's Day. So I bought my mom a car for Mother's Day, my dad a car for Father's Day.
When you came into the NBA, you said you'd bought a car, but what kind of car do you have now?
Cars or a car?
Oh, I don't know. Tell us about your collection then.
Yeah, obviously, like I said, I had first thing in the lead, I got a Chrysler 300. After that, after the years passed, after getting popcorned in it.
I do remember that.
Yeah, I had traded it in for a Porsche Panamera 2016. And then this year, I just sold my Porsche. Got a brand new Benz S-Class 63, all blacked out, black interior, everything blacked out. And the year before, I had got a 1987 BMW drop top. It's all red. It's pretty nice, black interior. And right now, I'm working on a 72 Chevelle SS. Drop top.
Wow, so you have a lot of old cars then.
Yeah, I love old cars, and I grew up on my cousin. He was an old school type of guy and had old school cars, and just growing up watching that and seeing his cars, and I just grew up loving it and just watching all the old school movies like Paid in Full, what made me want to get that BMW. Just seeing Money Mitch having that BMW and stuff, things like that. So I just always wanted a car like that.
So when you buy those cars, do you have to fix them up? Are they already ready to go?
Yeah, my BMW, absolutely, I had to do some maintenance on it. Obviously, get new engine in it, new tires, and obviously the interior, things like that. And then for my old school, I just remodeled the whole car and put in all new stuff in it.
What's your dream car?
My classic car, my favorite is the 72 Chevelle. Right now, I'm making it all black, white interior, 22s or 22 Rams on it, and it's pretty sick. It'll be ready by next month.
Wow, that's so exciting.
So you guys
I'm excited to see it.
You guys get to see it.
Well, thanks so much for joining us, Ben.
No problem.
And thank you guys for joining us for another edition of Valvoline Under the Hood in the Garage. We'll see you down the road.